Hi, I am Dan Michael. I believe that with magic there is nothing impossible to the naked eye. To see is to believe, and to believe is to dream, and to dream is to survive. That is why I am the master magician.
Sa drum na ito ay lulubog ako sa malamig na tubig sa loob ng mahabang panahon. Tom, punuin ng drum. Kulang! Tom, ang yellow.
Malamig.
Lamig nga. Lamig nga. Ang kasuotan. Jocelyn, orasan mo.
Dahil sa aking kapangyarihan, nakokontrol ko ang aking metabolismo. Umabagal ang aking paghinga at pagtibok ng puso. At dahil dito, kaya kong tumagal ng kahit gaano katagal sa loob ng nagyayelo drum.
Jocelyn! Kailan ako tagal? 20 seconds! 10 seconds! You must pick a card and then write your name. I will guess the name by looking at your eyes. Your name is Jao Mapa.
You're good, man. You're good, man. You're really good, man. How long have you been a magician?
It depends. Sometimes it's 2 minutes and sometimes it's 10 minutes and minsan it's 10 hours long.
No. You didn't get the question. How long have you been a magician?
It depends really. Sometimes you have a card and sometimes there's a drum. You didn't get the answers.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Ang susunod kong magic trick ay nangangailangan ng matinding concentration at isang volunteer. Volunteer! Ba't mo ba? Tititigan kita sa iyong mga mata. Isa pang volunteer! Ang laki niya mo! Hasan! Mga kaibigan, ang gagawin ko, magic trick, ay napakahirap. Lulundag ako sa mga bubog na ito nang walang sapil sa paa. Lulundag na ako. Alauna, alas 2, alas 3. 10 seconds!
your favorite trick to date?
My favorite trick is the one in the drum where I was filled in a drum with a lot of ice and water. It's a pretty tingling sensation inside the swimming trunks water.
That's really cool. Nobody can do that, man. So how
No,
long?
no, I can do that.
Wow.
Yes.
Are you familiar with black magic?
Yes, in fact, I'm a black magic. Because my favorite color is a black, and I'm a master magician, so I myself is black magic. Sometimes I'm a red magic because I'm wearing a red swimming trunks.
What's the difference between black and red magic?
The color itself. Yes, swimming trunks and favorite color black.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang aking susunod na gagawin ay pamamalas ang aking kakayahang kontrolin ang aking katawan. Ako ay mananatili sa selyadong kahong ito sa loob ng 40 days and 30 nights na walang pagkain. Tom, pasok mo ko sa kahon!
Dahil sa aking kapangyarihan, nakokontrol ko ang aking metabolismo. Bumabagal ang aking paghinga at pagtibok ng puso. Dahil dito, kaya kong tumagal ng kahit gaano katagal sa loob ng selyado ng kahon.
Damdam! Ha? Pa.
And which is more powerful, the black or the red?
You know, the cards are two, black and the red. So there is red for the hearts and the diamonds, and the black for the like this one. That's why there are two magics in the market today.
Okay. Do you know David Blaine?
I don't know him!